about nature.
Okay, Hawk. I didn't mean to say we're going to talk about nature. Okay? Take a picture. Okay. Ready? Okay, let's talk about nature. Well, you have to treat birds nicely because they are the most things that don't have anything to fight with, but do get rid of lions because they're the bad things, okay? But Hawk, there's still ponies. Hawk, treat ponies good too. They're just horses. They just know how to kick, and that's the only way of their defending. Okay? So they don't have any cred or fears at all. They just have no kicking moves. In grass is very soft.
Okay, good advice.